I was sent this 5-tier shoe rack organizer to check out for you, so let's put it together and check it out. All the pieces come separated and organized by which section they belong to. Here are the poles that connect to these ones. And all of these guys, 2 shorter poles, and then another bag of smaller poles. It also comes with this wooden mallet and some elbows. The instructions seem super simple, so let's put this together. This is 40.6 inches tall and 31.9 wide. There's a couple places in our house that this is going to be perfect for. One of them being right here where our shoes tend to build up. I think this is going to be the perfect space for it. Here it is with shoes on it. You can see it fits little tiny shoes on those middle 2 bars all the way up to men's shoes. The other great thing about this is it's only 11.8 inches wide, so it doesn't take up much space in this entry hallway. Overall, I love this 5-tier shoe shelf. It holds so many shoes, it takes up very little space. There's so many places that this would fit in our house, and not only is it going to keep our shoes so much more organized, but it was super easy to put together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.